starting this digital transformation path is usually a number of things. One of them is the inability in all businesses or in industry to have a complete vision of how the business and the business rules and the operating model and the business model is going to transform all the way from top to down. So we didn't have yet enough imagination to say how my business really is going to change. And many people would like, and many companies would like to see this being painted in a little bit more detail before they're actually taking the first step toward transformation. I think the other obstacle, which is somehow linked, is that we still talk about an IT strategy, so information technology strategy and operations technology strategy. And I think the gap is actually quite being bridged at the moment, to the extent that your business strategy is largely your digitalization strategy as we continue over the coming 10 years. The other area is definitely the other barrier or challenge is definitely related to skills. So being able to have skills in place that can go and capitalize on the IoE advantage and all that data and make sense of it. And the third has to do with our ability of our IT departments and IT processes to be agile and flexible enough to address that challenge. The corporate environment is going to look so much different. The challenges are going to be quite as we continue with this digitization effort, and I think that also is a concern whether our IT is agile, flexible enough to go and accommodate those changes in our IT environment. The security is definitely one aspect of those challenges that IT departments will need to address, and I think that security question or challenge is not going to go away anytime soon. I think, as Rabia mentioned earlier today, it's just a challenge we'll need to accept and be able to respond to. And I believe that us having a smarter network that can sense everything that is happening in our business will actually set up us in a way that we become more able, more aware, and more protective of any security challenges that might happen. Other than that, Cisco is creating a lot of those architectures that we think is going to help you make investments in IT in a way that is more secure, all the way starting from our collaboration technology, our data center, our security, whether it's in hardware, software, or in services. Yeah.